Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by powering and preparing the watch. Charge it to around 50% so updates won't interrupt. On your phone, install the official companion app and enable Bluetooth and location permissions. Turn the watch on, select language, and set basic time options so the screen stays active. This prevents automatic sleep during pairing. Once done, leave the watch on the pairing screen and open the app. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is scanning and ready to add a new device. You now initiate the actual pairing. In the app, choose Add Device and pick T800 Ultra from the list. The app will request permissions, allow Bluetooth, notifications, and location because the watch uses them for sync and geofencing. The watch will display a numeric code. The app will show the same code. Compare them and accept on both devices. If required, enter the PIN shown on the watch into the app. Once confirmed, the devices exchange keys and begin initial synchronization automatically. You finish by completing in-app setup. Sign into or create the account, choose a watch face, enable notifications and health access so features work. Keep the phone and watch within a few feet and let the initial data sync complete. Interrupting it can cause missing settings. If pairing fails, try restarting both devices, toggling Bluetooth, or removing old Bluetooth pairings. As a last resort, factory reset the watch and retry the pairing steps. This clears previous pairings and resolves most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.